What's up, guys? Welcome, guys, to another video of my YouTube channel, Vlogverse. In this video, guys, we'll talk about the law of relativity. Law of relativity. Ano pasabot na, guys? Pasabot na, guys, nga everything is relevant, okay, in relation to. Kabot sabton, guys, nga wala gyud gamay, wala gyud dako. Depende lang na kung asa nimo gi-compare ang usa ka butang. Siyempre yung aning bato. Okay? Kaning bato. Di maura gyud ni siya. Pero kung i-compare nimo na siya, di ni siya dagamay, di po ni siya dako. Depende ka asa nimo siya i-compare. Kung i-compare nimo siya mas dako pa, mas dako. Kung compare mas gamay, mas gamay. So, buta sabot ana, guys, nga because of comparison, nagiging small or big ang isang bagay. But sabot nga, you are just you, man. You are beautiful, you're awesome, you're handsome, you're a masterpiece, okay? Until you compare yourself with someone else, or you compare, or others compare you with someone else, okay? Kumbaga, you are just you, okay? And she is just him or her, and wala gini problema pa. Problema ko na kanang comparison ba, mo-compare na, ay siya mas kuan. Or mo kaugali ako mas kuan ana di magsugod ang stress ba, di magsugod ang anxiety. So akong bot pasabot ba nga just be you, man, be genuine you, be awesome you, and everything should be fine. Ang bot ako message, guys, and God bless you all, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.